everyone. Today I'm going to sing. I want to say thank you. For every time that you protected me when I didn't know your name. Lord, I say thank you. And how you loved me and cared for me when I didn't return the same. Lord, I say thank you. Now when it felt like I was losing and I felt like giving up, I wanna say thank you. And how your love resting like a mighty flood and lifted me high above, I wanna say thank you. And I'll be thanking you and praising you too for the rest of my life. For I come to know the power of your love and sacrifice. I appreciate all that you do. Just for how you put your hand upon me, though I have often gone astray. I wanna say thank you. And how your spirit